Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update Slack app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you are using like the web version of Slack, as you know, it will be automatically updated since it is the web version, so they are automatically getting um, updated. Otherwise, if you are using the desktop app, it will need to be updated either manually or you can simply enable some automatic update feature to it. And now we're just going to follow this Help Center article of Slack. And as you can see now, we can know or understand how you can update the Slack desktop app. So as you can see, it really depends on the operating system. So basically, if you are using a Mac, all you will need to do is to open the Slack app, and from your computer's top menu bar, you can go to Slack, and in the About, so you will have like an About menu, something similar to this Help, but it will be an About. You will be able to see the App Store mentioned that's the version you are using. And from there, you can start like updating it. Now, you can like either do it from uh, the App Store if you are using the Mac, and from there you can update it. So as you can see here, or you can simply for the Windows version, you can go to the three-line icons, and simply it will be somewhere like more, or it will be on the menu here, like on the corner, and then you can click on help. In my case, I have help here, and basically this is the web version. And from there, you will be needing just to click on check for updates and then click restart to apply updates in case they were there. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.